Hi everyone, this is Marissa Myers, and I will briefly be going over some technology resources that you can use in the classroom. I chose these three because they are some of my favorite resources to use in the classroom, which are Google Classroom, BrainPop, and the GoTalkNow app. So with Google Classroom, it is 100% free. Google Classroom is an online platform to create, distribute, and grade assignments. Teachers can share files with students. They can also monitor progress, view submission times, and give immediate and direct feedback on assignments. I say it's a one-stop shop because it integrates your Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Gmail, and Calendar. So if you've already created things within these domains that you want to use for your students, you can easily link them and assign them in Google Classroom. We're going to take a quick look at what Google Classroom looks like from the teacher's perspective. I already have my classroom set up, so there's a lot of features here and just not enough time to go over all of them. But I do just want to quickly go over this classwork page because this is where you can post assignments for your students and gives you the option to do it in different formatting. So you can post assignments, quizzes, questions, material. You can even reuse posts, and then you can create a topic to label each section. So this is what my classroom looks like for my students. And one of my favorite things about using Google Classroom is that I can easily assign students slides that I've already created for them. So this is a PowerPoint slide that I did for my students, and it's on a Disneyland virtual field trip. And so the students will go through and they'll answer questions, and then once they submit it, I'm able to see their work and I can grade it and give them feedback. And one of my favorite things about Google Classroom is that you can create a copy for each student so it doesn't alter the original copy, and each student has a copy to submit their work. Okay, so next we're going to look at the GoTalkNow app. The cost of this app is $99.99. GoTalkNow app is a user-friendly, augmentative, and alternative communication app. So this is great for students that struggle with communication. Students communicate by tapping images representing words on a device. Some of the features on the GoTalkNow app are that it is customizable, and you can use photos, text, voice, and video, and you can use just words, just pictures, or both. So this is what the main home page looks like for the GoTalkNow app. The player tab is for the student, and the page editor tab is for the teacher or parent. So you can go in and tailor this to the individual needs of a student, which I really like. So if you're asking a student that day, how are they feeling today, then they would tap on one of these and they can say, I'm hurting, happy, sad, and then there's tons of other pages too that they can click to. But when they click on a picture, there's going to be a voice that then reads that word. And so like I said, you can do a combination of pictures and words, or you can just do pictures or just words. Okay, lastly, we're going to look at the BrainPop website. So the cost of this website is a little steep. It's $230 for a 12-month subscription. However, there are also options available for districts to purchase this. So if your district has this, I would definitely recommend that you use it. BrainPop is an online resource with various educational videos that cover all 7 core areas of learning. These include, but are not limited to, math, English, social studies, science, technology, and health. So as you can see, there's a wide range here. And I feel like this website really facilitates learning because all of the videos and resources are highly interactive. There's a lot of visuals, there's quizzes, there's even online science experiments. So there are a lot of great features here for students. Some of the highlights are that it is for grades K through 12, and there are a lot of supports in place for students with disabilities and EL students. So things such as sentence starters and visuals. And we're going to take a quick look at this BrainPop website. So this is another website where it's just way too much to go over in this short amount of time. But as you can see, we have all of these subjects that we have the option to click on. And then once you click on a subject, you would click on a unit and then click on a subtopic. And for each topic, there is a video, quiz, graphic organizer, readings, vocabulary, even games, worksheets. So there's a lot of stuff on this BrainPop website. It's pretty easy to navigate through, so it's another resource that I would definitely recommend. All right, well, that is it. Thank you so much, and I hope that you were able to take something away from this mini presentation, and I hope that maybe you'll get a chance to use these resources in your classroom as well.